Volm was founded back in 1954 by Gerald and Dorothy Volm.
Mr. and Mrs. Volm ran a little general store out in the country. They saw the need for packaging for the local rural farm community.
My grandfather started driving to Chicago. He bought used burlap bags, brought them up here, and started selling. Gerald and Dorothy had 5 children, and in the early 80s, Gerald and Dorothy transitioned the business to the second generation.
We went from a little local regional company into basically a supplier of equipment and packaging.
Volm Companies is not just based out of Antigo, Wisconsin. We're not just in Idaho, Washington, Colorado. We have partners in New Zealand. We own part of a company in the Netherlands.
We can literally tell employees we are a global company. Products we make bring fresh produce to the store shelves in an inexpensive way. It helps keep produce fresher, it lasts longer, and as we know, fresh produce is healthier for people.
Our companies are what they are today because of the people that are involved.
When you walk around our floor, you'll see people of all colors, people of all genders, and for us, they all bring the same amount of value.
We have many of them that have been with us for as much as 30 years. We see them as people who are a part of the team. We want to be able to provide them with a work environment that makes them feel like they are contributing to something that is of value.
10 years from now, I believe Volm can be a company that's going deeper into fresh produce. The value that we bring to our fresh produce customers can extend into lawn and garden, can extend into food processing. So what we do well, we're going to take that to other industries.
My goal, frankly, for Volm in the next 5 years is to be the employer of choice. I would love to see dozens of people lined up wanting a job. They know Volm's got these types of benefits, so it's more than just pay, it's the atmosphere, the culture.
Our efforts have brought back a great return as far as what we have the opportunity to do. That's exciting, from being a little general store out in the country with one gas pump to the experience that we have today as opportunities to serve people across the world.